always thought I'd be a rambling man, living in the moment, never making plans. Finding love was just a dream I was having, written in the movies, never thought it would happen. I tried to fill my loneliness with a whiskey, and empty nights with different girls that never missed me. Funny how when you least expect it, everything could change. Baby, it's you I've been looking for. I knew right from the second you came walking through that door. It feels so right when you're in my arms. Darling, it's you I've been looking for. You know I love it when your hair's a mess, the way you shine when you wear that dress. Girl, I don't think that you understand. You make me a better man. Baby, it's you I've been looking for. I knew right from the second you came walking through that door. It feels so right when you're in my arms. Darling, it's you I've been looking for. Just like blue on the sea, our love won't fade, it's evergreen. Girl, the best part of me is you. Baby, it's you I've been looking for. I knew right from the second you came walking through that door. It feels so right when you're in my arms. Darling, it's you I've been looking for. I always thought I'd be a rambling man, living in the moment, never making plans. Finding love was just a dream I was having, written in the movies, never thought it would happen. I tried to fill my loneliness with a whiskey, and empty nights with different girls that never missed me. Funny how when you least expect it, everything could change.
Ano po ba? Ako po yung balay ni Ma'am Christine Joyce. Hello po. Good afternoon, ma'am. Pwede po kami ngayon. Busy ka po? May daw po kasi... May din-order po ba kamo ma'am Shopee or Lazada? May daw po kasi parcel po para sa iyo, ma'am. May parcel po para sa iyo. Kaya mo po yung camera din, ma'am. Okay na po, ma'am. Kitaon po niyo. Receive po niyo yung parcel. Kailangan po na po yung for documentation ng panamong company. Pasensya po. Alam mo ba? Okay lang po mag-invite ka namin. Ito kasi dito din ako kayo. Sige po.
Gawin kasi bandit si Kumang, ano, kusod. Call back, tatay ng TV.
Kaya ginaayos din ko pantapuan para sa... May na po ka mong klase mo or ano?
Waray, ano na ako lang.
Pwede po nga din na nakita mo.
Sige.
Saliwan. Ano ma'am, kumusta po? Sige, di kita mamaya mapagawad. Dali po. Maram na po kamo kung di kang kanini nga surprise. Ikang kanini po ma'am.
Secret.
Oh, sikreto ba? Nakikita na nga ni ma'am.
Nakang
oh.
kabit. Charot
Sir,
na.
yan, alam mo na. Charot. Sino po ma'am? Di kang pukan?
Charot. Bandway.
Penduin. Hi, birthday ko niya na ma'am.
Or
Nag-work ko yung ano. Okay, so yan na po, iyo. Birthday mo.
Second anniversary.
Second anniversary. Wow, sana all naman. So ma'am, nakita po kami itong mga regalo. Para po ito ha iyo. Karawan na po anin natin. Chocolate cookie. Ito po. And syempre, sikap na ma'am. Ba? And syempre may nakita ka din teddy bear. Pink na pink. Favorite color po ba niyo yun? Pink? Hindi. Age, pagkala po ni ma'am. So, kumusta ma'am? Happy po?
Happy.
Happy? Ina-expect po ba ninyo nga pa-surprise niya? Wow, syempre surprise ko si sir. Bali ma'am, diri lang po iniya regalo para kay iyo. Diri man po yung makakakadi po, makaka-celebrate na niyo anniversary. So, may na po yung message para kay iyo. Okay na po basahon ko ma'am? Gusto, kailangan basahon ko. Gusto po kita na din ma'am. Sige naman. Hi, my lady Tintin B. Una hatanan, happy second anniversary. Salamat pirmi hand love, ngan pag-intindi despite handa mo na away ta. Still waray kakapoy ha ako. Sorry kung waray ako dida, mabawi na la ako next time. Sana nagustuhan mo inina akong guti na effort. I love you, my lady. Paghinay permi ikaw, ngan enjoy this day. Again, happy anniversary, my lady. From Ormoc to Burawin with love. Love lots, Box. Wow, daniya pa card po. Happy anniversary po, iyo. Any message po for Sir Dwayne?
Waray.
Iyo, di-repray yung mga maray. Ano po yung gusto iyakan sa iya?
Happy anniversary. Love you. Thank you.
Sure? Ano pa? Gusto ko nagtutok ka, ma'am. Balik ka, pila ano. Ulit ka mo ba rin na message? Ano, may pakanta ka ba iya? Or gusto ko sumayo ka, ma'am?
Ayaw.
Ikaw, di ma'am. Ikaw, sana on. Gusto mo ma'am mag-blow ka birthday, balito ma'am para po ni iyo. Unta na palipay po naman ka mo. Yan ang iyo anniversary. And thank you so much to Sir Dwayne. Happy anniversary po kayo ni Ma'am Tintin. And more years po to celebrate. Sana po maging strong na po niyo yung relationship. Right? Ma'am,
Oo.
happy po? Surprise talaga eh. May speechless si Ma'am. Wala ko na nagbabantingat to niya. Patun. Kadistorbo.
Adi mama.
Sige po, maganin po kita para mag-picture po. Yes. Opo. Bagat na ito, Happy Mother's Day gift na na advance. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Ikaw liwat yan na. Sige, ma'am, ganito.
Sino pa gusto?
Any last message po? Sige na. Sige na po.
Thank you so much, friend, for being there for me. I love you so much. I will not leave you alone. For long life.
Sige po. Ano na lang po? Kaway-kaway na lang po. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Pwede po kami. Salamat.
Salamat, friend.
Thank you.
Kami.
I always thought I'd be a rambling man, living in the moment, never making plans. Finding love was just a dream I was having, written in the movies, never thought it